Create a new file for the gear coupling. Switch to Assembly 4. Create the assembly file. In the Parts folder, create a body gear. Switch to Gear Workbench. Hide the coordinate planes. Change the gear module to 2. Teeth to 20. Pitch diameter is 40 mm and pitch angle is 45 degrees. Change to Parts Design. Select the bottom surface of the gear. Create a new sketch. Get external geometry of the addendum circle. Draw a circle and select to one of the points. Create a new sketch on XZ plane. Section View. Get external geometry of the circle. Use polyline to draw a triangle. Make this line vertical. Make the back angle 45 degrees, same as the pitch angle. Define the length of the line. Make sure it is outside the gear. So use 7 mm. Cut the groove. Select the sketch of the circle. Pat it to mm. Change the taper angle to -45. Change the height of the gear to 10 mm. Select the top surface and create a new sketch. Get external geometry of the tip. Draw a circle and select to the tip. Create a new sketch on XZ plane. And then get external geometry of the circle. Section view. Use polyline to draw a trapezoid. The height is not constrained. Make this angle 45 degrees. Move this point so it is inside the dedentum circle. Set the length as 1.7 mm. Cut the groove. Select the bottom surface and create a new sketch. Draw a 10 mm circle. Pat it 30 mm. Select the gear and duplicate the item. Click OK. Move the duplicate item to Parts folder. Rename it as pinion. Hide the gear. Open the sketch in the pack. Change Z position to 14. Reverse the direction and change the length to 72. Switch to Assembly 4. In Parts folder, create a new body U1 bracket. Hide the pinion. Hide the origin. Switch to Part Design. Create a new sketch. Select XY plane. Draw two circles. Draw a rectangle. Select it to the circle. Six mm by 30 mm. Delete these two lines. Make these 2 points symmetric about Y. Pat this shape. Select Symmetric to Plane. Use 60 mm as the length. Create a new sketch on YZ plane. Draw a rectangle. Section view. Make these 2 points symmetric about Y. Get external geometry of the edge. This point is 6 mm from the edge. Make this line 45 mm. Apply pocket function. Select Symmetric to Plane. Change to Full O. Select this surface and create a new sketch. Draw a circle 16 mm. Pat it 8 mm. Reverse it. Select the top surface and create a new sketch. Draw a 10 mm circle. Apply pocket function. Change it to Full O. Select the packet and make a duplicate. Click OK. Move the item to Parts folder. Rename it as U2 bracket. Hide the U1. Change the length of the pack to 72. Change to wireframe. Select these 2 edges. and apply fillet. Radius 6 mm. For these two edges, apply fillet. Radius 12 mm. Change back to as is. Hide U2 bracket and show U1 bracket. Repeat the process to apply fillet. Open the sketch of the bracket and need to adjust the size. 30 mm should be from the origin to the end. Same for the other bracket. Switch to Assembly 4. Hide the bracket. Create a variable angle. Select Assembly and create a new sketch. Master, Gear. Select Model. Select LCS Origin as reference. Go back to Task. Select Paint Face and default is XY. Open the sketch. Draw two lines. Length 20 mm. As the pitch diameter is 40 mm. Define this angle as variable stock angle. Select the sketch. Create new LCS. Select the line and C tangent to edge. Select the endpoint to move the LCS. Create new LCS. Select the other line. Click C tangent to edge. Select the endpoint to move the LCS there. Hide the sketch and the LCS. Select the assembly and create another sketch. Master, Pinion. Select Model and LCS Origin as reference. Go back to Task and select Object XZ. Open the sketch. Draw a line on Z-axis. "20 mm long as the pitch diameter is 40 mm. Select the sketch. Create new LCS for the pinion. Select the line and C tangent to edge. Select the endpoint and move LCS there. Hide the sketch and LCS. Show the master gear to add one more LCS. It is for rotating the gear. Select the line at an angle and C tangent to edge. Select the endpoint to move LCS. Hide the sketch. Now create corresponding LCS for parts. Show the gear and create LCS. Select the circle edge and concentric. Create one more LCS at the same position. It is because there are two gears and they may rotate at different directions. Hide the gear and show the pinion. Create new LCS. Select the circle edge and concentric. Hide the pinion. Show the sketch master gear. Change the angle to a fixed angle. Insert the first gear. Select Parent Assembly. Select 1M and Gear 1 LCS. Rotate X twice. Move it outward along Z direction by 2 mm. Because I add a base at the bottom of gear which is 2 mm thick. Insert the second gear. Parent Assembly. Match 2M to Gear 2 LCS. Rotate X twice and adjust C to -2. Insert the pinion. Parent Assembly. Match 1P to pinion LCS. Rotate X twice and change C to -2. Insert U1 bracket. Parent assembly. Match 1M to U1. Rotate Y and C. Adjust Z to -12. We name this LCS because it is for the second bracket, which should not rotate about the shaft. Insert the second bracket. Select parent assembly. Match 2M bracket to U2. Rotate Z and Y. Adjust Z to -12. Select the sketch master gear. Change this angle to 0 so it is easier to mesh the gears. Change the variable to 02. Apply variables to the LCS to rotate the gears. Minus variables dot angle. Same for the second gear, minus variables dot angle. For the pinion, it is variables dot angle as it is at opposite direction. The gears are not meshing, so add 90 degrees to the rotation. Gears are meshing now. Test 1 the animation. From 0 to 360, step size 1. Change step size to 3 to make it faster. It looks good. To swing the shaft between -36 and 36 degrees, I create a conditional expressions for the motion like this. Change the range from 72 to -72 for the test. The second gear stays at 36 degrees and rotates. When the angle hits 36, the second shaft starts to swing. However, the second gear and the pinion are not meshing. When the angle hit -36 degrees, there's no more swing and only rotation, and all the gears are meshing again. So next step is to add more rotation to the second shaft during the swing. Go to LCS 2M. Enter this conditional expression. Hide the sketch and LCS. You can use this icon to hide the LCS too. Change the pinion to amber. 2 gears to blue. And the brackets to yellow. Increase the range from 108 to -108. Run the animation again and see if all the gears are meshing or not. It is working fine. See it from another angle. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you for watching.